Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect travel companion for your next weekend trip? Look no further. I have found this amazing weekender duffel bag by Sunshinejing, and I love it so much. We just used this on a trip. We took a weekend away to the city, and it was just the perfect size. We have it here in the army green color, which I really love. I think that color is super awesome. And honestly, this is just like the perfect little weekender bag. It's that perfect size for you to fit a couple of days worth of clothes and belongings. It's made of really nice sturdy material, so this went on a few different flights all over the city, and it really stood up that test of travel. I appreciate all of the pockets that they give you in this duffel bag. It's got a pocket on the outside, it's got a couple of pockets on the inside, and it's just so spacious while also meeting that requirement to actually be a personal item on a flight. So it fits easily underneath that airline seat in front of you. So this is just a win-win. It's got handles for you to carry it. It's got a strap if you want to put it over your shoulder. It's extremely versatile, extremely durable, and on top of all of that, I think as a travel companion, it's pretty cute. So if you're looking for a great weekender bag to be able to fit a weekend's worth of clothes for your next adventure, I highly recommend checking out this one, but that's just my point of view.